Modal verbs. Part 3. Today we will see may or might. May and might can normally be interchanged without a significant difference in meaning. However, might often implies a smaller chance of something happening when expressing possibility. For example, it may rain. So 70% there is a possibility of raining, we are telling. It might rain, only 40% of chance is there. So that is the difference. When expressing wishes or giving permission, only may is used. May not can be used to not give permission or to prohibit someone from doing something. Example, you may not take photos inside the museum. So here negative form is used. Now, may, might. Now we will see here how it is used. First function, possibility, higher possibility. As I told you, 70% chance, 40% chance. She may be at home. May. So there's a chance of that person being at home. Possibility here with might. He might like playing basketball. So see the difference. Permission, asking permission. May I sit here? Permission here. More formally, you talk. Might I ask you a question? Here next, permission here, giving permission. Now, asking first I have given the example. Giving permission. Yes, you may go now. Now suggestion here, politely when you suggest, might is used. You might try my cheese cake. Now request. May I have the bill please? The request here more formally. Might I borrow your book? See the difference here for request it's here. Wish. Only may for wish. May you both be very happy. Conditional it will be here. If you worked hard, you might finish it. Now, modal verbs can and could. First function, offer. Can I be of any help? Suggestion, more politely when you talk. We could write a letter to the president. Now here permission next. Giving as well as asking here. You can put over there. Permission, more politely when you ask, you use could. Permission here. Could I ask you a personal question? Asking. Okay. Ability, present tense, ability can. I can drive a car. Ability here, past tense. When I was a child, I could speak Germany. But not now, that past tense is there. Could. When I was a child, I used to speak Germany, but not now. Possibility. She can be really sad. Possibility here. He could be the one who stole the money. Request. Can you be quiet? See how it is asked here. Can you be quiet? Request. Here request. More politely I ask. Could I borrow your pencil please? Now next one modal verb is must. Now uses of must. Mostly must will be only for obligation and duty. First is that you must wear a seat belt when you drive. It's a must. It's a duty for you. Your obligation. You must eat all of your vegetables. You must do this work. This is a compulsory one. Deduction. Certain something is true. Surely it will be something will be true. Look at all that snow. It must be cold outside. I heard a noise upstairs. Mary must be home. Emphasize necessity. Now plants must have light and water to grow. You must study if you want good grades. Strong recommendation. Next is. Now we have seen the necessity by using must. Now recommendation. We must get together for dinner soon. These cupcakes are yummy. You must try one. See the differences here. Now positive assumption here. Past. Must plus have plus past participle. That must have been my mother calling me while I was in the meeting. So see here must have been my mother calling me while I was in the meeting there. See how it is used, must plus, have plus, past participle. No one else has my private phone number except my mother. So my mother only will call me. That is positive assumption I have given. Must plus verb here. Now where you have to, how you have to use the must with the plural form or how it is. The base form of the infinitive, to go, to study, to speak, etc. Now he must, sir. You must not use that yes here. The correct one is he must stop. You must to go. You must not tell. You must go. She must wait, sir. No waits. It is only wait. She must wait. See here, I have given here mustn't is equal to must not. So here it is important that you do not do something. It is prohibited. It is not allowed. Example, you mustn't use your phone while driving. Now here both must and have to. See, we will see the difference here or how it is just merging together. The speaker thinks it is necessary. Another person thinks it is necessary. So here the speaker only thinks it is necessary. Another person thinks it is necessary here. Personal opinion, here external duty, obligation or duty. Written rules, instructions, here facts, not opinions. This is the difference. Now coming back here, the teacher is giving the students an obligation, that is instructions. The teacher is telling, you must complete the essay by Friday. The student, we have to complete the essay by Friday. See the difference here, how I am using the teacher and student with must and have to. The teacher has given us the obligation instructions here. Now here we have to use had to instead of must in the past tense sometimes. I had to pay my speeding ticket yesterday. Had to is more common than must in questions also. When do you have to finish the report? Thank you. We will meet you again with semi-models, quasi-model.